I'm gonna play with this block printing kit. I've had it for a long time now and I really want to do it. I actually have some extra printing blocks to practice with, but I wanted to do this one on camera and unbox it and stuff. So on the back here it says it comes with all the stuff. It's supposed to be pretty easy. I'm not gonna lie, I've already opened this and I've already drawn on it, but it does have the instructions come with it. This is the Speedball one. They have several different ones of these, so, and you can see I got Goldie from it. I think I probably picked something that's way too detailed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna have to edit this, I feel like, fairly strongly. Comes with the brayer, some ink that I'm not gonna probably use because I'm gonna use some other ink. It comes with the carving tool and then the different carving heads, and I got this for right around like $16, so it wasn't bad. From what I've read online and what I've seen, you want to go with doing the big pieces first, so the big chunk-a-doos that you're getting rid of, you'll carve out first, and you want to carve away. I've never done this, so let's hope I don't hurt myself. That was wrapped, but it's not now. This looks like the blade side. So basically, I'm gonna cut out everywhere that's not colored. And again, I'm just gonna start with this. So, and I might do several, I don't know how deep I need to go on this, but I am gonna obviously try and carve away from myself. Okay, so currently I am cutting out basically the stuff that is outside of the drawing, and so I'm just trying to really make sure that I get outside of those like little delicate like edges of what is the flower petal and the leaves and the little buds and stuff. So I am currently doing that, and I am speeding this up and voicing this over so that hopefully it's not too terribly boring, but this is me, so I'm not making any guarantees, but I really can say I've done several of these since then, and I actually really enjoy this style of block printing that I've done. So this was really fun to do. I hope you can see that this is where we're at so far. I've cleared out a lot of it. Really, this big one is the one I have left to do. But basically I've just been going with, I want to say, the grain of the drawing basically. So like if the flowers were like curving, I tried to curve it to go with it, and I've just moved the block around where I want it to go. So again, I don't really think this is the most interesting thing to watch, and I'm not sure I'm going to necessarily get it in the camera, but I will try so that you guys can see, but I do need to move it quite a bit. And then I'll do the final finishing with this #1 blade, because I do need to get some of these like really detailed pieces. I've been watching a lot of these videos on how to do this. I don't know if it's going to turn out. I have a feeling probably not, but you know, it'll be fun to try. So okay, welcome back. So I have finished carving out, and I'm going to scoot this back now and let you see kind of the full setup, and yeah, and then we're gonna do a test print. So it came with the Speedball block printing ink, but I wanted to use the Versatex because that's the one I really enjoy for screen printing. This is a nice water-soluble ink though, so, but I wanted something that I could use in everything, and I've invested a good bit in the Versatex basically. Here's me set up. We'll see how this goes. So this is just going to be a test print, and then I've got, like I said, my paper here. I've got my carving tools in case I need them, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm hoping well, but I have met myself, so. I have a lot of ink on here. I actually feel like it's too much, but
We'll see. Okay, let's do this because we'll be able to tell hopefully pretty quick. Okay. So I definitely feel like a bunch of it already got into the cracks here. Hold on. We'll do this first test print. See how it goes. Oh, I did pretty good. Look at that. I see a couple of spots I'd like to carve a little more away, but it's not bad for a first attempt. Considering this is the first time I've ever done this, I think I actually did pretty good. I'm going to ink it up again and do another test print real quick. And not use quite as much ink, hopefully. We'll see. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with how it's turning out so far. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over, and I want to try doing this, where you do like a second printing from it. It's just an experiment at this point. That was perfection, just about. Look at that. So really, like a second printing of this, I feel like turned out even better. So I'm really, really happy. And considering this is the first time I've ever done any block printing, I did watch a whole bunch of videos on it though. I have to say, I think it turned out really well. Like, I'm very proud of myself. Okay, so I'm gonna ink this a little bit, just ever so slightly, and we'll go back in, and I'm just really enjoying playing with this way too much. I think this would be so pretty because I want to actually use this and print on fabric. That's part of the reason I wanted to use the Versatex. So I'm hoping that I actually really like this like faded look, but that's just me. So. And this kit, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I think I got it for $16 on Amazon, and I think it's a very good value for the money. Let's see if we can get like another little print right next to it. So I definitely will be doing this again though. Oh my goodness, how much do I love this? I still love this. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna wash this stuff, come back and give you some thoughts about what all I think about this. Hey, okay, so I wanted to provide some thoughts about the block printing like 2 years later and a few block prints later. I actually really love that one, and I still have that like actual like printing block somewhere in a box back there. And I like the Versatex inks a lot. I think they're really cool, very versatile. Again, they are one of the things that I decided to move across the country and the ocean with me. So I feel like that really says something as far as products go. Also, sorry if it's really loud, but it's a beautiful windy night and I can smell the ocean and see lots of palm trees. Hopefully that gives you a visual of life right now. It's very beautiful. I do want to say though that I really enjoy the block printing kit, and I've enjoyed doing a couple more since then. I think it's a really good idea. I don't know if it's still $16. Like, I think I took this footage in 2018 or 2019. Either late 2018 or early 2019. And so I really, really do enjoy it. I think that it is a good way to go. It is something that is fun to start with and play with. And it is so versatile, block printing in general, because you can do it on canvas, you can do it on paper, you can do it on fabric. You can do it on all different kinds of substrates, and you can incorporate other media with it. You can watercolor over it depending again on the ink you use, And yeah, I really enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed this sort of first impressions, but like several years later, and I've used a couple of more since then, review. I do think it is really good, and I do like it. I would recommend it. If you can find a good deal on it. Yeah. So anyways, sorry for this ultra late first impression / review of this product, but better late than never, and at least I found the footage. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are. I will talk to you later. Bye bye.